Hello.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Gamer47 here, and today we're back at it again with another video. This is going to be my second upload of the day, so if you haven't seen my first video, I'm going to put a link to that down below. Make sure to go check it out, it's pretty cool. And today, as you know, new Legends came out, so I'm going to be doing a Legend Fantasy Pack. Guarantees an 87 plus Legend, so hopefully I get something good. Here we go. This video is probably going to be like a minute long or something. So here we go. I have everything in. Just need these two more players. Here we go. I'm going to throw them in. I'm going to leave my room and I'm going to come back in. So here we go. Be right back. See what I get. I'm coming in, my eyes closed. 87 Walter Jones. Not what I was looking for, but I guess I'll have to take it. Maybe he goes for something, hopefully. Damn, that's something. I didn't want an 87, but you never know. Let's see if he goes for anything. Damn. Newest. 87 Walter Jones. Does he go for anything? He goes for 23K. That was absolute shit. Well, he is my starting left tackle. Okay. Well, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I'm sorry that it was so shitty. But anyway, catch you guys in the next video.
Driven, but they too scared to steer. That's why I compete with legends. Motherfuck my peers, I'm the man of the year.